Hey, how's it going, Land Cruiser folks? I am working on a Glovebox door. This is an old style, 60s. I think through 67 had this style. The weird bracket that bolted in there, hinged right there. But I put the 4-speed shifting instructions on there. This one had the original vacuum. It looked like a page out of a book there, you know. Can't just glance over and see how to shift it. No, you gotta sit there and read a whole paragraph. Pull this, insert that, pull this out, that you. So this is just the regular, the more modern 4-speed, which matches now what's in it. So, had a big problem though. My little pocket knob has got a shorty. It broke off. Here's the size of the original one. In fact, this one's still got the bakelite on the end of it. And here's what's left of the original knob that came off of that one. So never fails. The one that's broken has great metal, and the one that's got a great knob on it has a crapped up shaft on there. Well, so plans are clean this one up and actually cut it and weld it on there. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so the goal of this is I need it to be about an inch and just a tad over an inch and 3/4. So what I want to do is run a nut down on this, and then I'm going to weld those two together like that. Got it all cleaned up here, nice and clean metal, and that way after I weld it, then I can run the nut down, cut it, then run the nut back off to clean up the threads, and hopefully it'll work. Alright, well, just about takes more time to get the welder set up than it does to actually weld. So what I did is I put my stud in there, and that way I'll be able to just kind of hold it and run it up in there and see how it goes. Right. Excuse my welding attire here. I should have on sleeves, but weld one, good. Pretty good. Yeah, it'll work for them out. Oops, take one. Perfect. Yeah, a little crooked on there, but I can straighten that out. Grind it off a little bit. I think it'll be okay. Alright, well there it is. I got the nut ran down against the weld. That nut's super loose now, but you can see the weld. Got it ground down. Not bad. But got a threaded stud on there now. Cut it at 1 3/4 and paint it in there and call it bueno. Well, there is the finished product. pocket. I got to touch up the paint a little bit underneath of it, kind of screwed it up a little bit there. Should have waited, but this paint nowadays, you got to wait 7 days if you don't paint within an hour. So anyway, there you can see the clip on it. Some studs sticking out there, about right, perfect. Welds inside there, so it's good to go. That's why you never throw nothing away, not even a broken all to hell glove box door pull, because it can be fixed, restored, brought back, and made new again.